दिल्ली से बड़ी खबर है। सीडीएस जनरल अनिल चौहान का स्टेटमेंट सामने आया। युद्ध में ड्रोन के इस्तेमाल पर उन्होंने कहा है कि युद्ध में ड्रोन का इस्तेमाल बहुत क्रांतिकारी रहा है। ड्रोन की तैनाती और दायरे का एहसास बढ़ा है। सेना ने क्रांतिकारी तरीके से इस्तेमाल शुरू किया है ड्रोन का। ये बड़ी बात उन्होंने कही है। क्या कुछ सीडीएस जनरल अनिल चौहान ने कहा वो आपको एक बार सुनवाते हैं।
Factually, drones are a proven reality. We know that their widespread utility in recent conflicts demonstrate how drones can shift tactical balance disproportionately to their size or price. Factual because the government of applications of US in modern warfare is challenging traditional ideas about air superiority, ground maneuver and force protection. Swarm tactics, autonomous and intelligent operations, MUMT, asymmetric drone warfare are making large platforms vulnerable and driving militaries to rethink the conceptual aspects of air doctrines, development of a counter US system and adaptive rules of engagement. So in the conceptual realm, if you look, we always thought that airspace was one, it was kind of indivisible. And it's there where manned aircrafts traditionally dominated battlefield. So this used to be there till about 18 kilometers or 60,000 feet or so. But the introduction of, say, ballistic missiles, hypersonic weapons, that is cruise as well as glide, has opened up that upper space. And we always say that today airspace also includes near space. So that's one way. But you look at the bottom side of it, that the lower space, which is below 50 meters. Now this is getting congested, and this requires a special kind of a treatment and understanding, because this is where most of the combat is taking place when we talk about these drones. So the need of the hour is to develop capabilities to harness this lower airspace gainfully through utilization of force multipliers like US systems, and at the same time dissuade the adversary from doing so by developing a robust counter-US systems.